I'm Yvonne Dunitz. Welcome to the Health View Special Edition. The Health View is dedicated to empowering you with information that will help you be informed, make positive choices, and be better advocates for your own health and well-being. Go to youtube.com and search for the Health View. Once you've put that in, the Health View comes up and you'll see a subscribe button. Please click on that button. This will help you to have free access to all of our shows. If you have any interesting topics that we haven't covered, or ideas or suggestions, please go to thehealthview@gmail.com. May we all be safe, may we all be healthy, may we all be happy, and may we all live with ease. Welcome to the COVID-19 Community Update. As of Tuesday, March 31st, 2020, there are 801,400 COVID-19 cases globally, 314 cases in New Hampshire, and 28 cases in Nashua, New Hampshire. The Nashua Division of Public Health is continuing to answer its hotline for residents to call to ask any health-related questions regarding COVID-19. The Nashua COVID-19 hotline is available 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. If someone calls during off hours, they can leave a voicemail and someone will get back to them the next day. The number to call is 603-589-3456. If someone is calling for other questions about COVID-19, such as city services, business needs, school operation, donations, or volunteer opportunities, the hotline is set up to direct them to the appropriate city division. The City of Nashua Division of Public Health, Office of Emergency Management, and School District continue to work with the state of New Hampshire, the New Hampshire National Guard, and our local hospital and healthcare partners to set up an alternate care site, ACS, to assist in managing patients with COVID-19. The ACS is not open at this time and would only be activated if our local hospitals get close to or reach capacity. This will allow hospitals to conserve staff and resources to focus on the treatment of the most severe and critically ill patients. We hope to never have to use this facility, but we want to be prepared to help our hospitals and keep our communities safe and healthy. Starting Monday, March 30th, the Nashua School District will continue to prepare bagged lunches and distribute at 10 of our schools, and has expanded service to additional distribution sites delivered by the City of Nashua Transit System's Big Blue buses. Lunch menu includes ham or turkey sandwich, fruit, milk, and cookie. Bag lunches are available for curbside pickup at the main entrances of the following schools from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Amherst Street Elementary School, Broad Street Elementary, Dr. Norman W. Crisp Elementary, Fairgrounds Elementary, Ledge Street Elementary, and Mount Pleasant Elementary School. New Searles Elementary, Sunset Heights Elementary, Elm Street Middle School, Pennachuck Middle School. Bag lunches will be distributed at the following sites by bus. Main Dunstable Elementary School neighborhoods, 11:45 a.m. to 12:15 p.m., Hillock Avenue, 12:30 to 1 p.m. at intersection of River Pines Boulevard and Oak Grove Trail, 1:15 to 1:45 p.m. at intersection of Countryside Drive and Cape Avenue, 2 to 2:30 p.m., Main Dunstable Elementary School, Birch Hill Elementary School neighborhoods, 11:45 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. at intersection of Kessler Farm Drive and Hawkstead Hollow. 12:30 to 1 p.m. at intersection of Wallingford Drive and Guilford Lane. 1:15 to 1:45 p.m. at intersection of Thornton Road and York Street. 2 to 2:30 p.m. at intersection of Blackstone Drive and Stonebridge Drive. Broad Street and Charlotte Avenue Elementary School neighborhoods, 11:45 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. at the intersection of Broad Street and Country Hill Road. 12:30 to 1 p.m. at intersection of Broad Street and Tilton Street. 1:15 to 1:45 p.m. at intersection of Broad Street and Bartimus Trail. 2 to 2:30 p.m. Charlotte Avenue Elementary School. Nashua Transit System is operating an on-call van service for Nashua residents needing access to essential services, including grocery stores, pharmacies, medical needs, and essential jobs. This is a shared ride service which picks up passengers at their origin and takes them to their destination within Nashua city limits. Service will be available for pickups between 6:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday and 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturdays. Nashua Transit System will adjust service times as demand warrants. The fare for an on-call van service is $1.25 each way. Please call 603-880-0100 extension 1 Monday through Friday 6:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. with as much advance notice as possible to schedule your trip. If you are not sure if your trip qualifies or for any other questions, please contact us. Under the State of New Hampshire Emergency Order Number 17 by Governor Sununu, City of Nashua officials are encouraging individuals who live and work in the greater Nashua region to stay at home, except for essential needs, to minimize the spread of COVID-19. If you do have to leave your home to get food, necessary health care for a loved one, or go to your essential job, you should stay at least 6 feet away from others at all times and wash your hands often. These public health measures are put in place to reduce harm from the spread of COVID-19 in our community. Now is the time to do everything we can to prevent the rapidly evolving COVID-19 situation from worsening. We would like to remind your community that it is okay to spend time outdoors if you are not in a group. Social distancing can be practiced by continuing to live your daily life while creating distance between yourself and others and avoiding large gatherings of more than 10 people. It is our social responsibility to keep our community healthy and safe. If we work together to stay at home, practice good hygiene, and avoid close contact with others, we can slow the spread of COVID-19. If residents do have to leave their homes for essential needs, we are encouraging them to practice social distancing and good hand hygiene by keeping at least 6 feet away from others at all times and washing their hands often. Although we are encouraging our community to stay at home, grocery stores will still remain open. If you are headed on an essential trip to the grocery store, we encourage you to shop smart and healthy by following the tips. Minimize trips to the store by going only once a week. Make a list before leaving home to make sure you get everything the first time. Only buy food and supplies that your household will need for 1 week. There is no disruption in supply chain, but stores do need to restock. Protect your health in public spaces by using sanitizer wipes on your shopping cart, carrying hand sanitizer if you can, and washing your hands as soon as you return home. Keep at least 6 feet of distance between yourself and other shoppers and employees at all times. Designate one household member to do the grocery shopping to reduce public crowding. We continue to recommend our community to prevent the spread of COVID-19 and other respiratory illnesses by the following. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing. Stay home unless you need to travel for essential needs, groceries, medications, medical supplies, caring for a loved one, or an essential job. Wash your hands often for at least 20 seconds. Do not touch your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Practice social distancing by avoiding crowds with 10 people or more and maintaining a distance of 6 feet from others. Clean and disinfect objects and surfaces using standard cleaning products according to the product's manufacturer label. Surfaces should be allowed to air and dry. May we all be safe. May we all be healthy. May we all be well. And may we all live with ease.